The other day I was going down the road and I saw this incident that really made me think. This young lady was trying to merge in front of a vehicle and the person insisted that he would not let her in. And she eventually persisted until she got in front of that person. But he was not very happy. He came out of he went around her, stopped in front of her, came out of his car, and was heading towards her, raising his fist and carrying on. And by the time he got to her door, two young men who saw what was happening jumped out of their vehicle and was heading towards the car as well. And by the time all of them got to the young lady's car door, there was a shouting match and carrying on and all of that stuff. And eventually the loudmouth retreated with his anger and his raised fist back to his vehicle and drove away. And that incident really made me think about this Jamaican proverb that we have, which I will get into in a moment. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone who have supported thus far. I really appreciate your views, your comments, your likes. Please don't forget to subscribe and to give a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, I welcome your comments. When I replayed this story in my mind, I remember the Jamaican proverb, "No romp with mawga cow, I coulda bull mumma," which means don't underestimate anyone or try to bully them because you never know who is in their corner. Some people have a tendency to prey on the weak because they don't have any backative, as we Jamaicans would say. Them look weak, them look feeble, they don't look like if anything happened, them have anyone to stand up for them. But let this be a lesson not to try to put anyone down or to step on them, as we would say sometimes. Remember that actions have consequences, so choose your battles wisely and treat people with respect regardless of status or how they look. Let's not be judgmental and say, oh, him look feeble or she look weak or she Jamaican would have say can't mash hands. Let us not take that as an opportunity to bully anyone or to put them down. In this proverb, the choice of word romp suggests a sense of playful or carefree interaction, suggesting that one should not take lightly or engage recklessly with a seemingly feeble adversary. While a bull is a symbol of strength and power and aggression, especially in the context of the animal kingdom. And in Jamaica, we use the term mumma as a slang for mother. Mumma is a colloquial term, and the proverb, it shares the encounter with a seemingly feeble cow and the consequences that might follow, which might cause things to escalate out of your control if the encounter is with a bull mumma, as in this proverb. A minor skirmish could attract the attention and intervention of a formidable force, which you might not be prepared for. You might bite off more than you can chew in this instance. So this proverb goes beyond the literal interpretation of the animal encounter, and it serves as a metaphor for life's challenges and conflicts. Make sure that you exercise caution when dealing with seemingly weaker opponents, as their situation may have unexpected repercussions. Furthermore, the proverb underscores the importance of strategic thinking and foresight. The metaphorical imagery of a mawga cow facing a bull mumma resonates with individuals on a deeper level. It should cause you to think before you act. A lot of people don't think before them act. Them just act recklessly, then do what them feel like. Oh, me a big man, me a big woman, me do what me feel like. No. Think before you act. As I said before, remember, actions have consequences, and you should always be prepared to face those consequences if and when they come. We as Jamaicans, we have a legacy of resilience and resourcefulness, and a lot of these proverbs reflect the collection of wisdom we as a people share. That is why we have so many Jamaican proverbs. This particular proverb, however, shows this need to navigate challenges with an awareness of the broader context and the potential consequences of our actions. Say, for example, we go to a new job. You have a new job and you go to your workplace and you realize, of course, there are cliques. Usually there are. You as the newbie, you are the outcast, the outsider coming in. They don't know you, but a lot of them might just judge you, or they might be looking to see, let's see what he or she is capable of. Let's watch, let's wait and see. Go and do your thing. Just do your thing. Continue to be unassuming and do your thing, because they don't know what they don't know. Eventually, they will know exactly what they are capable of. Remember, at the end of the day, you could end up being their boss. So you just go and do your thing. The saying says, work hard in silence and let your success be your noise. You don't have to say anything to anybody. You don't have to do anything to prove yourself to them. You are there to do a job. Do it. So at the end of the day, then just better make sure them don't trouble this mawga cow, because them don't know if a bold mumma. Just do your thing. But at the end of the day, be nice. Be kind to people. Don't judge them based on how them look, how them act, how they seem. You never know. In conclusion, no ramp with mawga cow, a kuda bull mumma. Let this serve as a reminder to be careful with what you do and say. Be careful with your actions. Be aware of the potential consequences that you might face. It is important to choose your battles wisely in the journey of life. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you liking my videos and subscribing. Please, I don't just want you to view. I appreciate the views. I really do. But can you please give me a thumbs up? Please subscribe to my channel. And I promise you, I will keep these videos coming. And as always, walk good.